Beverage Spartan is super adaptable. I think one of the biggest benefits of it is the physical cartoner part is set up to run anything from a 4-pack all the way up to a 24-pack, all self-adjustable within with a handful of change parts that go with it too. On top of that, it's a full servo-driven machine, which gives us a lot more accuracy. Because of the Beverage machine, and specifically the Spartan version, is actually the reason we turned to Linmont. We had a lot of issues with pneumatic cylinders. One of the issues was short stroking an air cylinder. It was an additional change part that someone needed to take in and out to actually set the different home positions. Also, on top of that, the weight of the cans from pushing wore the actual pneumatic cylinder out faster than in other applications. One of the main benefits of the Linmont is that we can set the different home positions, but another benefit of the Linmont, which wasn't originally our main focus of doing it, is we actually increased the speed of the machine by 10 cartons a minute. It used to be a 30 a minute machine. We were able to crank it up to about 40 a minute, but the whole benefit of using the Linmont has just turned into using it in more applications. It's certainly one of the best actuators I've seen out there. The Beverage Spartan comes standard with a hot melt glue system that allows us to glue boxes. So whether someone has an economy flap, an RSC box, a full flap box, we can use the different guns in different ways, set up different recipes to glue a box in the most optimal way that's going to stay shut on someone's store shelf. The whole in-feed side of the Beverage Spartan is special and dedicated to beverage. So you'll notice that we have different lanes, we have different gating systems that adjust. We can run different can sizes, so someone can run a sleek can and switch over to the standard can, or vice versa. One of the other options that we offer on the machine is the full ability to do variety packs, so to extend that conveyor, to have multiple different shelves that allow anyone to feed in different ways. So maybe they want to make 2-flavor 4-pack. It's anything someone wants to run. One of the other cool benefits is that the machine doesn't just have to be a parallel in-feed. We can turn the whole thing and make it perpendicular. We've had people come to us who need to make a 3-flavor 12-pack, which is impossible when you need 4 lanes because you have to mix the last lane coming in perpendicularly. Allows you to use 3x4 deep and pretty much make whatever pack pattern we have. We actually have a lot of co-packers who have dual in-feed Beverage Spartans, as we call it, that gives them the ability to come parallel and perpendicular, and it gives them the ability to make any sort of pack pattern someone throws at them. So we see the Beverage Spartan and other beverage machines going into a multitude of different applications. The most standard one is that it's going into some form of a brewery, and the brewery's plan is to plug it directly into their upstream canner filler line, so the filled cans with their product can flow down into our conveyor where we can make the pack pattern and go from there. You also see other applications, like we have a water company that our machine's actually in the back of an 18-wheeler. It's a mobile canning line where they can go help disaster-struck areas get fresh water. And we also see a lot of applications going into contract packaging facilities, whether the contract packager actually does the full filling line and it's actually plugged in, or whether it is actually a variety pack line where they're feeding the different flavor cans into the different lanes to create a variety pack. We do see a lot of that get outsourced by the main manufacturer. It's not something they want to deal with. It's not their bread and butter. That's where we come in to help them create that.